Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meli Love Decor. I just wanted to hop on real quick and show you guys a quick video of my formal dining and entry for the summer season. I've been super busy guys. I did do some changes from the spring season. I did change some stuff in my entryway and my dining room. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the changes that I made. I didn't get a chance to record it while I was decorating because I've been super busy. I hope this video inspires someone to also start decorating your home for the summer season. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with a family or friend, and leave me a comment below and tell me how you like the video. I hope you enjoy the changes that I've made. Okay guys, here on the formal dining table, these plates are from Home Goods, the chargers are from Hobby Lobby, the napkin rings are from Z Gallery, and those candlesticks that I have on the table are from Ross. The candles are from TJ Maxx. I picked them up on clearance. I love this table runner. I picked it up from Kirkland's while I was in Tampa. This is the famous, of course, Z Gallery vase that's going viral right now. The ellipse vase. It is so versatile, guys. You could do so much with this vase. I picked up those floral arrangement from Ross, and the yellow one and green ones are from like Michael's a couple of years ago. Those little limes that I put inside a bowl I got from Ross. Those napkin rings are from Hobby Lobby, and also the yellow napkins are from Hobby Lobby. The plates, most of my plates from the table are from Home Goods. I picked up this charger, I believe, either from Home Goods or one of those places, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, like about 2 or 3 years ago. It's like the lemon theme placemat. Love them. The utensils, I picked them up on Home Goods and clearance. Again, guys, most of the stuff on my tables are from Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. Those glasses on the table, those drinking glasses, are from Ross. I picked them up during the holiday season. The coasters are from Ross as well. This pillow cover, I picked it up from Amazon. This little table on the corner here, I picked it up from Marshalls. I picked it up on clearance. This beautiful vase, I picked it up from Home Goods, also on clearance. Guys, I love to shop a clearance deal. I love shopping clearance deals. Okay, those waterfall greenery are from Hobby Lobby or Michael's a couple of years ago. I told you guys in a previous video I did update my curtains. Those black velvet curtains are from Amazon. The 2 candle sconces on the wall are from Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, from Z Gallery a couple of years ago. This beautiful wall art, I picked it up from, I believe, either Ross or Burlington, but I'm pretty sure I got that from Burlington, the black and gold wall art. And the stuff, the vases that I have on top here, Burlington. My bar cart area, guys, this floral arrangement, I got it from, I believe, either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. That black and gold vase, I got it from Home Goods and clearance. The cherries, Ross. This little coasters and the little strawberry plate, however you want to call it, I got it from Ross. No, not Ross, actually Home Goods. The butterfly, I can't remember where I got it from. Those little checkered or Mackenzie dupe style apples and pears, I got them from Ross. Now guys, this is my entryway. Those floral arrangement, the green and the yellow, I picked it up from Kirkland's. I have like 3 different floral arrangement in there. The vase, Burlington. This little tabletop knot thing, I believe I picked it up from, I can't remember where I got it from. The books, I got it from Amazon. The artichokes were from Home Goods. The bowl was from Burlington. The coffee table books are from, I believe, from Amazon. This beautiful, beautiful sculpture with the butterfly on the face I got from Burlington. I also picked up this beautiful little lamp from HomeSense on clearance. I love this lamp, guys. It doesn't need to be plugged. It has this rechargeable light bulb that I just charge and use it. This beautiful, guys, I did change my entry table and it lights up if you plug it. I picked it up online on this store in Miami. I was able to order it online. Those little black I don't know, design or decor that I have on the wall on top of the door, I did pick those up from Burlington. This beautiful crystal wall art, I got it from Home Goods. The cherry blossom, I picked it up from Home Goods. This beautiful tall gold vase, it's really tall, guys. It's like all the way up to my waist or even above past my waist. I got it from Burlington. This nice tray with the greenery on it, I got it from Burlington. I wanted to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers for all your love and support in my last video that I posted about my formal living room. If you have not seen that video, please go ahead and check it out. I again want to say thank you for all the support and all of the love. Guys, again, please don't forget to like, share the video with a family or a friend. Show your support. I am trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers so that my channel can continue to grow. Again, thank you. I will leave you guys to watch the tour of my formal dining room and entryway for the summer. Until next time.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.